What's up, family? Welcome back to another edition of So Focused Marketing and Promotions Tech and Lifestyle channel. I'm your host, Mr. I'm So Focused. Alright, welcome back. Today what we got the Smart Garage Hub. It's the Universal Edition. So pretty much this is a garage door opener. The reason why I bought this is I used to have the traditional, keep the garage door opener in your car, the little remote control one, but sometimes if you're driving and you're going to work, you're going out, you're doing whatever you're doing, and you forget to close the garage door, you got to turn all the way back around and get within the vicinity of your house or, within distance for the garage door to open. So the reason this came about was I looked online. I said it got to be a different way to work this out. So I stumbled upon this. It's the garage door openers from myQ. It's called the Smart Garage Hub, and then I got this also. It's for a second door. So I got a two-car garage. So one door obviously, and this one is going to be for the second door. So the best way I could explain it to you without showing it to you, we're going to take it out the box and everything, but I just want to show it to you. A short video online from the good people at CNET. So I'm gonna show it to you guys how it looks online. We're gonna go to the video online, and it's just a short video on the garage door opener. So we're gonna check it out, and after we watch the video, then I'm gonna open it up, and we're gonna go through exactly what comes in the packaging. But I'd rather do it this way, show you guys what's going on, and then you guys can see it better this way. So Chamberlain is myQ Smart Garage Hub, and pretty much you could open, close your garage. It gives you notifications when your garage door is open, how long it's been open. This is a Universal Edition. Let me try to get this in focus a little bit more. It's the Universal Edition. So you can hook it up to any one of the garage door openers. Pretty much it's compatible with a list of garage doors openers, and I'll show it to you on the phone, and we're gonna go through it and let's rock out. So here it is right here. Short video on how it works out. Good people at CNET. Check it out.
I'm Rich Brown for CNET. Today we're going to look at the Chamberlain myQ Garage Door Opener. So this is a $130 smart home product, and its basic function is pretty simple. You connect it to your garage door opener, and then through an app on your iPhone or Android device, you can use it to remotely control the garage door from pretty much wherever you are. It also lets you see the status of the garage door, and it can send you notifications. So if it's open when you don't want it to be, your phone will tell you, and you can close it pretty quickly with the app. So you mount the Wi-Fi hub for the myQ here in the ceiling, and the idea is that it flashes a signal to your existing garage door opener, and then that tells the garage door to open and close. There's a sensor on the door that helps detect whether the garage door is open or shut, and that sends a signal to the Wi-Fi hub, which then tells your phone, hey, your garage door is open, your garage door is shut. It gives it kind of that status update. Now you do need to plug it into a power outlet, so you have to have one nearby. You probably will if you already have a electronic garage door opener. It's also designed to work with pretty much any garage door opener on the market. Chamberlain says it works with about 90% of existing models. Anyone from about 1986 on, I think is the date they say, is pretty much going to work. You do need to be comfortable though popping off the top of the garage door opener and finding the program button inside that will send the signal to the myQ opener to have it programmed for the right sensor setting to open and close the door. So installation is pretty simple. There's a bracket here that you have to screw into your ceiling. It comes with a couple of drywall anchors if you need those. Here I just went right up into the wood since there's no drywall. And then the hub itself slides right on. As for the sensor on the front of the door, you can use screws, but it also comes with some adhesive strips, and that's what I used here. Now in order to control myQ from your phone, you do need a Wi-Fi signal out to your garage. Now I do have a pretty weak Wi-Fi signal coming out here, but it still works. There's only one bar, it shows up on the app, but it's good enough. I've had no problems with connectivity. Now there are a few other smart garage door openers out there, and some you have to wire directly to your existing opener. That's not really ideal for obvious reasons. Wireless solution is a lot more convenient. It also will tell you through a series of beeps and light flashes when you've closed the door you have about a 30-second delay once you press the close button in the myQ app and from when the door itself actually shuts. So the myQ garage door opener is a pretty simple product, and that's sort of nice. It kind of does what it says it's going to do. You don't really have to worry about much else with it. So what's nice about the myQ is that it's kind of evidence that the smart home ecosystem isn't going to be this series of walled-off little gardens. It's a part of the Nest developer program, so it can work with your Nest thermostat and other devices in that ecosystem. It was named as one of the first partners for Apple's HomeKit program, which is going to link various devices into iOS. And just this past week, they also announced support for the new Wink Hub, which is part of Quirky's smart home spin-off designed exclusively to make smart home products. So it works pretty well, it's relatively affordable, and myQ is poised to work with all kinds of other smart home devices if you want to go down that road. That makes it kind of an easy recommendation. So I'm Rich Brown, this is the Chamberlain myQ garage door opener.
Alright, so you got it there first, straight from the guys at CNET. You got all the information you need right there. myQ smart garage door opener. Actually, what I didn't say earlier, it actually works with Nest products, which I got a couple of Nest products in my house, so that's gonna be pretty dope to say, you know, okay Google, open smart garage, and hopefully it opens.
I don't know how to help with that.
That's one of my Nest products, but whatever. We're gonna rock out. We're gonna see what's in the packaging, and we're gonna get right to it. So again, this is the Chamberlain myQ Smart Garage Door Hub. Let's start with the this packaging right here. I guess this is gonna be the main piece that connects everything together. Let me get a knife so we could bust this open real quick. So this is the hub right here. Pretty small box. Like I said, it's by Chamberlain. Get a nice white box right there. You open it up, and this is what you're gonna put on the ceiling in your garage. That light is the light that lights up when you press the door to close or whatever. That was the blinking lights that he was talking about. You get all your product information right there. You got a little speaker on the side, so I'm assuming that it's gonna make some noises. On the side, right here, you got your, your AC adapter. That's gonna be the one that's gonna be plugged into the ceiling, and you got a light, tactile buttons right there. Then you got 1 and 2. So I'm assuming one is gonna be for my one door garage. The second one is gonna be for the for this one right here. So that's all you got there. You got the little slot right there that you're gonna use to attach it to the ceiling. What else you get in the box? Oh, you get the myQ. This is gonna be the first adapter that you put on the first door. That's the sensor. It comes with a little pull tab there. I'm not gonna pull it out yet. I'll rock out when I, pull it out and hook it up in my garage. It's a little, I guess a little battery pouch or whatever on the side right there. I guess that's a battery pouch. Get all your information on the back. myQ branding on the top. Got some tactile buttons here. I'm assuming that's gonna be when you, you're linking it up to the main hub. So that's what comes in that box. They give you a little warning sticker about, children playing in the garage. And, it's a sticker that you could put up on your garage door. You get your quick start guide. Go through that real quick. Boom, we read that. And one more box. This is probably going to be your power adapter. And that's exactly what it is. It's the bracket that you put on the ceiling, directly onto the ceiling. Your power adapter, it's pretty long, so you get some length on that. And you get your screws. You get some anchors, and you get 2 ceiling screws. Well, there's 4 ceiling screws in there. So 2 is going to be for this, I'm assuming, and 2 is going to be for the bracket. Alright, so you rock out like that. And let's see what's in the other box. Yeah, I want to put this up immediately because this is You get the smart app on your phone. It's called the myQ. You download it from the Play Store, and it gives you all the information on if your garage door is open. You at work, and then you don't know if you close the garage. You don't have to turn. You don't have to. Whatever you do, call a neighbor, turn back around. Have somebody else go check on your crib. You don't have to do all that. You just look at your phone and you lock it up just like that. So here's the second hub. This is going to be for my second garage door. And it comes with another bracket and more screws with some 3M tape inside if you just want to stick it on. I guess you can use the 3M tape. And it says sensor in there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says sensor at the top. So that's probably just going to slide in there just like this, some kind of way, probably just like that. And you put it on the garage door. So that's the second small garage door hub. So this one is going to control these two. So if you're interested in the products, I'm going to leave the link for the description in the bottom. Straight from Amazon, you click on the link and you go buy it. So this right here was about 44 bucks. That's these two right here, and then you could buy the addition if you needed an extra one. Some people I shouldn't say most people. Some people have just not one car, but just one door in their garage. So you just only need this right here. So you spend 44 bucks. And if you need the addition one, this one was about $34. So total price, let's say $70. So the link is in the description below. Check it out. All my videos that come out, I'm leaving a link for the description from the Amazon where I got it from. You click on that link and you go buy it from Amazon. Straight like that. So the link's in the description where I bought it from. Check them out. Again, this is the Chamberlain myQ Smart Hub. You go to your website. Hold on, let me get my phone real quick. I'm going to show y'all the app where you could download everything from. So you download it straight from the Play Store. It's called myQ. And I downloaded it earlier. So this is the